Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Tuna ready. Wow. Tuna steaks.
Wow.
Mushrooms and cheese. Wow. Mushrooms stuffed with cheese and egg. Good seasonings. Good food. Thank you for watching. We're going to pick up these tuna steaks. Wow. And they're ready to eat. Look at this big tuna steak. Wow. Let's get the next one. Let's get the next one. Wow. Cooked in soy sauce and lemon pepper. And salt. Yeah. Very nice. You don't have to cook tuna steaks for long. These are purchased at Kroger. And we're gonna leave mushrooms, but tuna steaks looking amazing. You see, looking delicious. Mmm. 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 So good. So good. And mushrooms, show mushrooms real quick. Looking delicious. We're gonna get the egg. You see next to the mushroom, I put an egg inside of it also. I put 2 eggs in this big mushroom. And this one I put 1, it didn't fall out. This one fell out. So we have an egg with this. Very nice. And tuna, 3 tuna steaks. And they're very delicious. Thank you for watching. May God bless you. And we wish you the best always. Thank you for watching my channel. Please check out other videos. Thank you and bye-bye.